Have you ever forgotten which email is linked to your Instagram account? Or maybe you just want to double check or update it for security reasons? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and edit your own Instagram email address step by step. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Just tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those to open the menu. From the menu, select Account Center. This is where Instagram stores the main information about your account, like your email, phone number, and personal details. Once you're in the Account Center, go to Personal Details. Then tap on Contact Info. Here, you'll see the email address that's currently linked to your Instagram account. And not only can you see it, you can also tap to edit it, remove it, or add a new one. This is super important because your email is a key part of your account security. If you ever lose access to your Instagram, your email is how you'll get it back. So keeping it up to date is a smart move. And that's it. Quick, simple, and super useful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.